Hi, thanks for coming back to my little crafty secret. For this project share video, I am going to show you just how I created my first batch of cards using the Simon Says stamp 2023 June 2023 card kit. You know, these card kits actually come to me quite much later than when they actually have it available. I actually got this maybe, I think it was like 2 weeks after it came out. So the last, I think, day of May, or maybe it was the first day of June, I got it. And so it takes a while for it to get to me, which I'm happy because I can see all the different projects that everyone else makes and I get ideas from them, get inspiration from them. But then it kind of gets me anxious because now I got to finish this up before I get the next card kit from Simon Says Stamp, because I am a subscriber. Of course, it will take another 2 weeks for me to get the next one. So why am I worrying? No big deal. I have plenty to craft while I wait. Anyway, I did show a few moments ago what comes in the kit. It does come with this ephemera pack from Tim Holtz. It is very pretty, very vintage, very flower. It's very spring. I love it. It's really, really pretty. The only thing is that I do kind of stress when I get these ephemera packs, only because now I gotta figure out how to put them together. So what I do is, and I've shared this on my channel a couple times already, but what I do is I pile them up in like pieces. Flowers in this case, leaves, birds, even the direction of the birds, one's facing left, one's facing right, and then like signs or sentiments and other things, such as like there was a couple of eggs and also some mushrooms there. So I place them in different piles, and then I just get a couple what would make sense together, and then I just paste them together, and that's all I do. And I think it's been working really great for me. I've been able to attack the ephemera pack and understand it better and make cards out of them instead of just kind of putting them in my stash. So what I'm showing here is I didn't want to break my pace when I was actually creating the card fronts. So I'm just getting them and putting them together, and then later on off camera I do stamp out sentiments for these cards, and I actually put them on the card base and onto the cards. I don't really show them here. I just kind of show this process on how I put them together and choose the pieces of paper. The scraps that come from cutting down this paper, there is a strip of coordinating cardstock, and I just put that in the inside of the card. I don't show that in the video, but that's what I do, and it does cut down a lot waste. Here are those sentiments that I stamped out. It does cut out a lot of waste. I'm not making strip cards, and it's just easier to get through the paper, the card kit that way. So that's what I do. Also, I do off camera stamp out some other stamps or sentiments from the stamp set. I don't show them. Again, at the very end you'll see them. There's a very large happy birthday stamp set that comes, stamp that comes in the stamp set, and it's very pretty. I stamped this mostly in copper, only because I don't have gold. Everyone's doing it in gold, but I don't have gold. I don't have enough gold. But it looks really pretty, and I like it in the copper and the different colors too. The white's okay. You know, sometimes when you stamp something out, it looks better in different colors. And so the colors I'm referring to is actually embossing powder, not the actual ink. So here I am, just putting them together. And one thing I wanted to note when I do put these ephemera pieces together, I do weave them in together so it's easy for me to paste them down. So here's that large sentiment I was just talking about. These are all the final cards. I made, I believe, 9 in total from this first sit down. I've made several more, but I don't have video of that. Look how pretty these are. These are so pretty, and they came out so nice. Feel them, you have them in your hand, they feel great, and they're so pretty. Well, I do hope that this gives you inspiration for your card kit if you have this at home. If it does, great. Let me know. If you like this video, leave a comment and give it a thumbs up. And until next time, thanks. Bye-bye now.